Say hello. Hi, Mark.
Oh, you love Surbi. So Mark says he loves Surbi. You love Ishqbaz. You watch it 10 p.m. America में कैसे देखते हो यार? Hotstar, huh? That's really cool, man. We're at your headquarters today, yeah? Really cool office, man. Well done, well done. Yeah, we're just talking about the Star Plus Dopaher, which means afternoon. So we've launched these bouquet of shows.
Yes.
And we're going to meet these cool guys, yeah. So listen, I'm going to talk to you later, okay?
Yeah.
Chal, bye.
Chal bye.
Mark, yeah. Such a fan, man.
Chal bye.
Well, it's really cool, yeah. It's really cool to be in his office today, and we're meeting some really cool people.
Yes.
And
So I've always had a dream to come here come to a Facebook office, wherever. But
yeah.
yes, I'm so excited, and also I'm excited about the Dopaher band that we're going to have a couple of shows.
You know, so this
shows.
actually takes me back to my school days when Star Plus used to have this really cool programming in the afternoon. I used to watch these shows. There was Kumkum, Hussain, and another Juhi Parmar, and there was a show called Shagun.
मैं स्कूल में होती थी.
मैं भी तो स्कूल में ही था ना. You were in primary, I was in secondary. Really cool shows, and I'm so excited कि ये दौर फिर से आ रहा है.
Right,
and obviously Star Plus has to do it. ये नई सोच और कौन ला सकता है?
And बहुत interesting concepts हैं.
There are 4 new shows.
4 new shows.
So
I've not picked any of my favorites.
Not yet.
Not yet. Have
I
you?
actually have, yeah.
Really?
So I think let's just start with the first show.
Okay.
जो 12:30 शो आने वाला है, उसका नाम है
क्या कसूर है?
Amla ka. So guys, let's just invite
Welcome.
Amla to the studio.
Yes.
Pankhudi Namaste.
Yay.
Welcome.
Thank you so much. I'm super excited to be here at the Facebook office. And thank you so much for this warm welcome.
Listen, this is great, yeah. So both of us have seen promos of the show.
Yes.
And it looks different from anything else right now. It's एक तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह पे शूट किया है.
We shot in, the promo was shot in Manali.
Oh, shot in Manali.
Shot in Manali.
How cold was it, yeah?
Freezing. We were shooting in minus temperatures. It was actually snowing.
And you were wearing a cotton kurta?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Were these the clothes you were wearing the first
and
time?
gumboots below for the snow.
But you know, we have never got the privilege to be shooting outside. Ishqbaz,
The farthest
so you guys are very
gone,
lucky, yeah?
I actually have. I've always shot outdoors. This is the first time I'm actually going to be shooting in Bombay. The set's here now.
How does it feel, yeah?
Good to be in Bombay, always.
So this is your first show on Star Plus, big show.
Yes.
Yeah.
My
And,
first social show also.
Yes.
Wow.
So,
So tell us about your show,
Yeah.
yeah?
So
What is it about?
this show is basically an adaptation of a Turkish series called Fatima Gul.
Wow.
And it's a very famous show worldwide.
Yeah.
Which is why I think the makers, thought of actually making it with an Indian setup. I think that's what the difference is now. And so that the Indian audiences can relate to it more. Moreover, this is one story that, the subject matter has never been really, played on TV. The cause that we are playing in the show is something
It's
that...
very sensitive.
Very sensitive.
Yeah.
And, but basically, we're going to go around it and how, the girl goes through it, the stages, so that the audiences can really relate to it.
Does she find love?
Of course, I think everybody finds love.
Yeah.
So will Amla.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you know what I want to know is that since it's a very serious character, and I dread doing emotional scenes, and I'm sure you,
Yeah,
as
it's
a character,
so like,
so how did you
consuming,
prepare for this one?
So I was quite nervous myself because, there are certain things in life that you've experienced and you can show.
Right.
Like a breakup, you know what happens. But something like this...
इसका मतलब आपका breakup हो चुका
मैं तो नहीं
है.
होती यार.
Don't make that a sensation.
Breakup हो चुका है पंखुड़ी का एक बार. क्या पंखुड़ी single है?
Okay, coming back to Amla. But with things like these...
Sorry, India TV just got into me. Yeah.
But with things like these, it's, you've never felt like it. You only felt like a tiny bit of it when somebody sort of teases you or something. But this is in 2000, So bringing out that sort of an emotion is definitely a challenge on screen. That intensity with which, a person feels, that anger, that repulsion, that rejection of oneself and the society is rejecting you. Basically, all of that was slightly difficult, but yeah, good
पंखुड़ी,
feeling.
मुझे आप ये बताओ कि आपको कितना इफेक्ट करता है जब आप घर जाते हो तो how do you feel? मतलब कैसे?
आप एक घर इमोशंस लेके जाती हैं?
Try करती हूँ नहीं, but it gets troublesome because when you're doing it, all of us would feel it. Yeah. So actually, काफी mentally pressure.
समझ नहीं पड़ती है. We should have
हम का
known.
शो कर रहे हैं ना, हमें कैसे आएगी समझ?
So I think mentally थोड़ा pressure पड़ जाता है, brain पे बहुत effect पड़ता है when you're crying continuously and you're in that zone, yeah.
So you cry naturally? Because I cannot.
Yeah. I try to. For this particular show, I try to keep it very natural. And thankfully to the directors, they gave me a lot of time. They kept the camera on roll. They said, take your time.
So the closes,
how nice.
Closes, yeah. I was so thankful because they really give the actor the space to, perform.
Every actor will understand this क्योंकि जब आप एक बहुत ही emotional scene कर रहे होते हैं, on television or on film आपको फिर से करना पड़ता है for different angles.
Yeah.
But when as an actor आपके पास वो close भी होता है और wide भी होता है, it is so
That was
empowering.
the best thing. That was the best
It's the
thing,
best
you know.
thing,
Yeah,
yeah.
I know.
So it's
I
fun shooting?
know. It was fun shooting.
Studio कहाँ है आपका?
Mira Road.
मीरा रोड में
Shooting
आप
at the
रहती
Yellow
कहाँ
Rose
हैं?
studio. I was staying at Yari Road, but I've just.
हम
shifted to
मुंबई
Chennai.
ट्रैफिक नहीं डिस्कस करने वाले
नहीं
हैं
मैं अगला
प्लीज
नंबर पूछने वाला था यार this is the way to get there यार Surbi. Come on. She spoke about a breakup and now I'm asking
ठीक
for a
है
number.
ओके
But anyway, so when you go back, क्योंकि इतना serious show करी है ना, सच इतने सारे भयंकर emotions होंगे.
Yeah.
किस किस्म का म्यूजिक सुनती हैं आप यार just to unwind?
Actually, I'm not very selective about my music. Anything that's, you know, the
अल्ताफ राजा?
हम तो ठहरे
हम नहीं तुम.
sorry I'm very bad with all this
You like the song?
yeah
No, thank you.
You don't like it?
No, I love it.
Altaf bhai, you don't like Altaf bhai?
Okay, let's not discuss.
Who do you like? You don't want to discuss that. You don't want to discuss this. क्या discuss करें? आपका favorite singer कौन है?
मेरे favorite singer आजकल तो I think I really like Arijit Singh. All the songs that he's
Which song is
been
your
singing.
favorite one?
The ones that coming to my mind right now, no. From Arijit, I like Channa Meria a lot. Like
Yeah.
that's the recent one.
जब भी
that
हम
I
लोग
think
सोचते हैं ना, we think of lunch, चन्ना मेरे यहाँ, please.
लेके आ मेरे लिए चना
Sorry यार, we're bad like that यार. हमारे शो में sense of humor काफी खराब है, तो हमारा personal sense of humor भी थोड़ा सा
खराब है?
affected हो चुका है. Like,
about. Okay.
yeah, but this is cool यार.
okay
And
so yeah and I really want to wish you luck because we have to introduce other 3 shows also so please
Already?
wish her luck
Okay.
yes
That's good.
and
Alright.
and we are quite excited तो जिस दिन हमारी शूट नहीं हुई हम हॉटस्टार पे देखेंगे
yeah, you shoot at Film City, no, you said Mira Road.
Mira Road.
You
Ellora.
stay at sorry, where?
and okay
It's getting very stuff.
हाँ,
Listen, we'll talk, huh? We'll keep talking, yeah. But all the best, यार. आपका
you,
शो
thank
देखने के लिए हम लोग बहुत उत्सुक हैं.
Yeah.
In fact, आज हमने छुट्टी ले रखी है 12:30 से 2:30 बजे तक हम सारे shows देखेंगे.
12:30 is क्या कसूर है आमला
क्या
का?
कसूर
That's where
है
Start the Pair
Listen,
starts.
बहुत ही important सवाल. आप आमला खाती हैं?
हाँ मेरे को एक्चुअली नाम
Very
Lot of
अच्छा
vitamin
लगा।
C, lot of vitamin C, yeah.
Recently शुरू कर दिया मैंने.
इनके
you know,
फेस के
rather
ग्लो
than
का ही
anything.
राज ही
आमला है. Listen, इस आमला का कोई कसूर नहीं है यार. Just like look at her complexion,
I
यार.
know pretty
I mean, I think we stay with her. हम लोग थोड़े गोरे हो जाएंगे.
तू फिर तो पता है ना क्या लगेगा
क्या? क्या कसूर है आमला का? Then we'll say.
but thanks and
all the best,
very
yeah.
best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And we'll have you back, okay?
Yeah, absolutely.
जल्दी से
Bye-bye.
कॉफी भी किया. Okay, this is so exciting. अब देखते हैं अगला ट्रेलर, okay? जो है शो का नाम है
तू सूरज मैं सांझ पिया जी
Still Learning, Still Learning.
yeah okay okay पहले तो we have to apologize
Yeah, we are very sorry. मैं सुरभि के लिए हमेशा सॉरी मैं बोलता हूँ क्योंकि सुरभि आज लेट हो गई तो हमें फेसबुक लाइव चैट थोड़ा लेट शुरू करना पड़ा. बट आई हैव टू टेल यू कि वेरी हार्ड वर्किंग एक्ट्रेस. कल वो इश्बाज पे रात के 2:30 बजे तक काम कर रही थी जबकि मैं बैंड्रा के फ्ली मार्केट में
चिल कर रहा था
चिल कर रहा था. सो शी गॉट लेट, दैट्स फाइन. बट वी हैव विद अस द वेरी गुड लुकिंग पेयर
and
अविनेश.
yes
Thank you so much for having us here.
When you say hi,
yeah,
hi, hi,
so
hi.
excited I love her excitement
Listen,
यार
she was just
इतनी
telling.
तो मैं भी नहीं थी
अरे वो मुझसे
excited
अभी आने
हमारा शोज लॉन्च हो रहा है, हम एक्साइटेड हैं.
वो आने से पहले मुझसे कह भी रही थी यार इश्बाज आई लव इट यार. क्या करते हो आप शो में यार, क्या मजा आता है यार. सो आई कैन फील द एक्साइटमेंट.
sweet yeah
रिया इतनी दूर क्यों बैठी है? मैं आता हूँ पास. ओके सो गाइज आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड क्योंकि आपका जो शो है इट्स लाइक द शोले का सीक्वल दी और बाती. आई थिंक टेलीविजन का सबसे बड़ा शो रह चुका है.
Yeah.
इट इज गॉट
काफी
सो
साल
मच
चला
क्रिटिकल
है.
acclaim, so much love.
Yeah.
इसके पहले मैं एक शो करता था प्यार का दर्द which used to do very well. But we used to always be the number 2 show in the country because one show used to always beat us, which was
दिया
और बात ही हम. And I'm so excited that we're again the number 2 show with Ishbaz.
yeah
And I have a fear that there's a Dior Bati 2 which is coming.
yeah but
This
you
doesn't-
feel, नहीं but you feel the pressure
Yeah, of course it is.
you all do
Yeah, of course. Because
Yeah.
it was a legacy, it's a brand. और अब वो दूसरा अध्याय आ रहा है उसमें. तो
Adhyay. I like this boy.
बट यू नो बहुत ही
अध्याय.
इंटरेस्टिंग प्रोमो है तो मुझे उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा जस्ट एनलाइटन मी
Which promo are you talking about?
ऐसे सवाल मत पूछो, इन्होंने कुछ नहीं देखा.
मैंने देखा है यार वो
वो पानी में जब ये
हाँ, कुछ तो-
शरीर खोलकर ऐसे
ऐसा
कुछ कर
कुछ-
रहे हैं. शरीर is
Bare body
शरीर is
का
looking very kadak man. Very nice.
yeah I think he's training too hard
Lots of oil, huh?
yeah
Very nice. No, this
no
it's all it's
pure fresh
it's beautiful, but yeah. So yeah, tell us about your show, yeah. Hey, why can't I appreciate a boy? He's so
of
good,
course
man.
it is nice
Riya, don't worry, we are coming to you.
It's basically ये कहानी है दो अलग-अलग दिशाओं के किरदार हैं जो आपस में मिलते हैं और कैसे वो दिया और बाती बनते हैं। ये कहानी उसके ऊपर बेस्ड है पूरी।
आप क्या
जो मेरा
किरदार
कैरेक्टर है इसमें, जो मेरा किरदार है वो है कि ये बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीव धार्मिक बंदा है, बहुत ही कल्चर्ड है, बहुत संस्कारी है। वो कैसे इस लड़की से मिलता है जो कि बहुत मॉडर्न है, अर्बन है, और कैसे एक दोनों मिलते हैं और कैसे दिया और बाती बनते हैं। ये इस कहानी का मेन मुद्दा है।
So दिया कौन है, बाती कौन है?
रिया ये है, बाती मैं हूँ, सेंसिटिव सी।
बाती is also the more delicate thing. खूबसूरत सी जो चीज होती है। तो रिया, तो रिया आप
और
बताइए।
वो बाती नहीं, वो बत्ती होती है।
Oh please, no, it's बाती. Don't misguide. Yeah.
रिया, सो आपका कैरेक्टर क्या, मुझे थोड़ा सा बताइए।
सबसे
बहुत
पहले
खूबसूरत कैरेक्टर है वो तो मुझे
और
पता
आपके
है।
बहुत ही कपड़े भी बहुत खूबसूरत है। दिस इज द स्टाइलिंग ऑफ द शो।
yes, this is the styling of my show. ये हमने एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है।
वेरी म्यूजिकल ना,
reels पे।
तबला है, तानपुरा है।
सब कुछ बजा सकते हैं।
ये तो बस एक ट्रेलर है। या तो मेरा बहुत इंडो वेस्टर्न सा लुक है, और मैं मेरी जो थिंकिंग है वो बहुत आज की है। और सबसे पहले तो मैं संध्या राठी की बेटी हूँ।
द संध्या राठी।
संध्या
द संध्या राठी, मतलब when I talk about Sandhya, I want to get up and like just salute. संध्या राठी, कैमरा ऊपर कीजिए। संध्या राठी, संध्या राठी। संध्या is also a dear friend of mine. She is pregnant now, but anyway, we'll keep that aside. तो आप उनकी बेटी हैं, but she is pregnant right now. How are you already born?
वो अभी हम नया सीजन में है, तो अब
that is
वो
real
उनकी
life,
पर्सनल लाइफ है।
Sorry.
हाँ, तो मैं
तो this is
बहुत
really quick,
ही
yeah.
तो सबसे पहले तो मेरा नाम है कनक राठी शो में, और
कनक राठी।
ना डरना ना रोना ना हिचकी, याद रख कनक तू बेटी है किसकी।
ओहो वाओ, नाइस नाइस, वेरी नाइस।
Thank you.
Very nice. और आप लोग शूट कहाँ करते हैं?
मीरा रोड।
हम मीरा रोड में
और
शूट
आप
करते हैं।
रहती कहाँ?
हम
आप सबके एड्रेस पूछना बंद करेंगे?
जी हाँ, प्लीज।
हाँ? आपको इश्बास का सेट याद है ना?
चैट के
बस
बाद अगर छोड़ना पड़े तो मतलब करना चाहिए ना।
But you all
सेम
look